It's a lovely summer night, or summer-ish night. Everything's covered up. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning, and look what I just found. Son of a bitch, I could have swore it was there. Where are you going? Bugger the hell, there was a hedgehog. He was sitting right there. Damn it. Okay, I'm getting a torch. I'm going to blind the bastard. Torch, 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 torch. Torch, 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 torch. He was out there, I was sure of it. Where is he? Torch, torch, torch. Right, where are you? Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. He's out here somewhere, I know he is. Damn it, yeah. Never knew there was such a thing as a rocket-propelled hedgehog. Son of a bitch, he was right there. Right opposite. There's the shed. He was right there on the edge of the grass. Where the hell's he going? Okay. Fucking hell, any minute now I'm going to hear meep 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 meep. Be a roadrunner hedgehog. But this is good because I made gaps in the wire. Oh, there he is. There he is. Look at him. 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 Hiya, hedgehog. You stuck? I think he's stuck. I better leave him. I'll be making that hole bigger tomorrow. Cool, I got hedgehogs.